Hey guys, today we are unboxing the Glock 43X MOS. So this Glock has the modular optics system. You can see here, this plate comes off. You can attach a red dot sight to it. So here we go. All right, so first, look at the paperwork. Comes with your instructions. You can see there, it's with a plate on, plate off, optic. Your paperwork comes with your lock. Comes with your cleaning stuff, 2 mags, and a speed loader. These are 10-round mags. You guys feel free to jump in here if I'm missing anything on the old Glock 43X. You have your front serrations. This is the standard sights model. It also comes with Glock night sights or Ameriglow sights. So there's 3 options right now. It's got the spot to put your light. Just give you an up-close look at the just released Glock 43X MOS version. Everybody's going to red dots these days, and Glock is finally joined the party. This one's made in Austria. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. Just want to give you a quick unboxing. A lot of people wonder what comes in the box. That's the #1 question we get, so we just want to make a quick video so you would know.